Girl, you a walking trophy.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this flawless look right here. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned and continue watching to find out all the details, the tips as to what I used. And yeah, this is the makeup and I love it. During the video you'll see that I have an orange hair on throughout, but I wasn't feeling the orange hair in the end and I decided to change to this blue hair. So guys, let me know what you think, if I was supposed to stick to the orange hair or am I rocking this blue hair even better. Okay, I've also changed the lipstick in the end as well and I'm feeling this color. So yeah, continue watching to see how I achieve this look, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and tell all your friends about my YouTube. So as you can see, I've already done my brows off camera and now I'm priming my lids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey and the P. Louis base in number 3. I'm now going to blend this into my skin so it can rest smooth and seamlessly, and I'm also going to be bringing this up to my eyebrow area as it helps to intensify the look of my brows. Once dried, I'll then go in with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set this and just let it look seamless in my skin before I apply my red transition shade. And as you can see, I'm packing on multiple layers of this and I'm just blending it into the skin so it can eliminate any creasing in my lids before I decide or proceed, as you'd say, to apply my eyeshadows. I'm now going in with this red shade from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette and I'm using this as my transition shade, and as you can see I'm adding multiple layers and just building up and doing my swishing motion to make sure that it's seamlessly blended onto my lids before I proceed to cutting the crease. You'll also see that I go in with another red shade from a regular drugstore palette to intensify that transition shade area. Once I'm happy with the look, I went in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Classic Ivory to cut my crease, and I'll be taking my time to do this because patience goes a long way and you want your makeup look to look flawless when you're finished. Once I'm finished with this eye, I'll go off camera and cut the other crease of my next eye, and then I'll wait until it dries and we'll proceed to applying the shadows. So just stay tuned to see how the final look turns out. Once I'm finished, I'm now going in with this gold shade from a regular drugstore palette and I'm applying multiple layers to the inner corners of my eye, and as you can see I'm not blending as I want this gold to look intensify, so I'm just adding multiple layers on layers and just packing them on so they can rest seamless in the cut crease area. Once I'm happy with this look, I went in with a light orange shade and I applied that right beside the gold shade and make sure that I blend them together so the transition between both shades would look even and absolutely stunning. This one isn't pigmented and I didn't want many layers, so I just packed on the amount I want and then I just blend them together until I was happy with the look of the colors or the color combo. So yeah, once I'm happy with this look, I then went in with this pink shade from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette, and I applied this beside the orange shade, and as you can see it's very pigmented. I only applied about 2 or 3 layers until it came out this pigmented. And yeah, I'm just blending this into my eyes before I proceed to add in the blue and the black shade to my outer crease, which will fully intensify the look that I was going for. Yeah, now this is the blue shade, and I'm just gonna pat this on, and once I'm happy with it, I'll then go in with a black shade to further intensify the look, and then I'll show you an image of the makeup look that I was trying to mimic. And guys, let me know in the comments down below if I smashed this look or should I dash this look. I think I smashed it, but that's just me. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram as Sashi__Glam, and on Snapchat at sexy_chica1996. Yeah. Yeah, now this is the black shade, and you can see that I'm not packing it on. I'm just blending it in with the blue to intensify the color of the blue tone that I've used. So I like this look. What do you think? And see, that's the image. Yeah. Okay, so I've done my lashes and wing off camera, and now I'm going to be priming my face, then color correcting foundation. So stay tuned to see how the finished look turns out. So I've now primed my face, and I'm color correcting with the LA Girl color correct to the orange shade. I use a lot of LA Girl Pro Concealer stuff, and I'm loving it so far. Now I'm using my L'Oreal Paris Inflammable Foundation Stick in 220, and I'm just blending this out, and then I'll go in with my Fenty Beauty in 420 to further intensify this foundation shade. I then use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey to conceal, and then I'll be contouring with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Coca. I then proceeded to bake in with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and yeah, you'll see me snapping a picture for my social media page because girl, I was smashing that face, okay? I then proceeded to using my LA Girl Pro Press Powder in Dark Coca to intensify those contoured areas. Then I'll be brushing off the excess setting powder, setting my face off camera with my L'Oreal Paris Inflammable Setting Spray to lock in all this goodness. Okay, I then proceeded to line in my lips with a red eyeshadow. I couldn't be bothered to go for my lip liner, so yeah. But in the end, I didn't like the way this lip combo came out, and I changed my lip and my hair off camera because I wasn't at all happy with this lip or the hair for this makeup look. So let me know, do you think the orange is okay, or do you think the blue, I smashed it? Like, look at this lip, it looks hideous. But yeah, in the end, the makeup came together perfectly and we're all happy. So guys, this is my Snapchat filter, but yeah, this is the finished look. If you want me to tell you all the stuff I used to achieve this look, then just leave a comment down below and I'll just email you a link of the stuff that I've used to achieve this. Yeah, I love it. It looks amazing. So this is the end of the video, and I'll see you in another one. Goodbye.